Morning, everybody. It is 7:30. We had a snowstorm yesterday, and today we are going to go finish the big tree in Berkeley. The guys won't be here for about an hour, so I'm going to drink coffee and watch YouTube until it's time to go. All right. For those of you that are new, we are in Michigan, just outside of Detroit, and it's about 11 degrees. So we're gonna go outside and try to warm up the truck. My wife mentioned to me last night, do you realize how crazy you look in some of these videos you post? I found my hat. Good morning, Michigan. We'll hang that up in a minute. Fired right up. I am proud of you. HD quality on the whip when I'm backing up. This isn't the first time we've talked about this. It was supposed to be a straight shot down the highway. Well, there was an accident on the highway, and my GPS is like, why not go through Brightmoor? So, the machine's gonna take a half an hour at least to warm up. We're gonna set up a little activity station here and sharpen some saws. I'm old, so I can't bend down on top of them anymore. Ow. All right, so after Winter Storm Fern rolled through, here's what we got left in the section going into the yard back there. We should knock it out today, I think. Rob! Let it go! Good job, Hayden. Get a little closer to the roof and then you can shoot it out there. Now. Let it out. There you go. There you go. So this is the part where we're going to take our first break. I ain't got shit left. That's all going to come right down cleaning the yard. The only reason I'm really taking a break is because I want to sharpen my trim saw. It's duller than I thought it was. Take note. This is the street we're leaving. So I didn't get it on the way in, but we went from Prairie in the city of Berkeley to Prairie in the city of Detroit. The whole tree's down. We cleaned up what was in the yard behind us. Got 2 loads of logs to haul out of here and a stump to flush. Not too shabby. So, I forgot to get a video at the job site when we left, but I mean, there wasn't much to see. The tree's down, the logs are out. I sent fence out with a full load of wood, and now I'm on my way back to the house. I gotta pick something up and drop it off at Lily's work, and then run a load of logs out to Holly so that I can be ready for tomorrow. I'll be damned if this didn't happen. Like, I needed a flat tire right now. Okay, so I don't have my impact gun or a breaker bar with me. I had to leave the trailer behind at a Hilton hotel, and I'm on my way home to get tools. What a day. All right, current status. It's 9 o'clock at night. I ended up leaving the trailer at a hotel. I had to go home and get the impact gun and a breaker bar because I didn't have either. While I was there, I whipped together a care package and took it to my wife's work because I love her. See that shameless plug? I do love you, sweetheart. Then went and saw a man about a horse. And now I am back at the hotel about to hook up to the trailer so that way I can jack it up, change the tire, and make the drive to Holly where I'm going to dump so I can be ready for tomorrow. More footage yet to come. Alright, so we completely shredded the tire. The spare is acting as my camera mount right now. Let's see if these are going to come off or if I got to use the impact, the breaker bar. So it is, oh God, I don't know, 10 o'clock. We made it to the top secret location. I'm gonna have to get creative with my camera stand situation because I don't have a whole lot of situations, but I've got to unload the machine and then dump the load, then load the machine back up and tie it down because the inside of the trailer is like a sheet of ice. So I know that if I don't tie it down, the thing will end up at the back of the trailer and it'll be swaying the whole way home. But I'm gonna get a coat on, get out there and make this all happen. the trailer is dumped. The machine is loaded and it is tied down. Now I just have to make the hour drive home. I take that back. I have to make a snack and then make the hour drive home and have some dinner, which is going to be great because Lily made chili yesterday. Lily's chili. And it's one of those things that's always better the next day, but her chili's fucking phenomenal to begin with, so it's going to be great.